Hello and welcome to science class. Today we're going to be doing a little experiment. Now I hope you've already answered the first question on the slide about what color you think is best to wear on a sunny day. And today we're going to be putting that to the test. So I have some colored papers set out. They've been sitting in the sun for just a few minutes. And in just a minute, we are going to take an ice cube for each of those pieces of paper and set them on the paper to see which ice cube will melt the fastest. Now, when sunlight shines onto papers, the papers absorb some of the light and reflect other light. So a green paper would absorb all of the colors of light except for green. The green light bounces off the paper and into your eyes, which is why you see the color green. So for a piece of black paper, it's going to absorb all of the sunlight and bounce no light off, and that's why you see black. And on the opposite, a white piece of paper is going to reflect all of the light that shines down on it, and that's why you see white. That's why maybe your flashlight on your phone is white, because it's shining all of the colors of light. So when these papers are reflecting or absorbing light, the light that is absorbed is going to make the paper heat up. And so hopefully we will see that the heat within that paper from the sunlight, but depending on how much is absorbed, will either melt the ice cube faster or will melt it slower. So pause the video here and make your hypothesis or your guess as to which papers will melt the ice cube the fastest and which will melt the slowest. Go ahead and do that now. All right, so take a look at these ice cubes. Take a look at which ones have the most ice cube left, which ones lost most of the ice. Make some observations. All right. So after looking at those, make some observations about which ice cubes had melted the most on which papers, and go ahead and answer those questions about if your hypothesis, if your prediction, your guess was correct or incorrect and why, and then think about why certain papers would be melting the ice cube more or less. So get to those, and thanks for watching.